Good morning, students. Now we will learn about the next periodic property, which is known as a metallic character. So, the metallic character, we talk about those elements which has a tendency to lose the electrons from their valence shell, and these are known as metals, and they form a positive ion after losing an electron. Let's see, for example, sodium, whose electronic configuration is 281. When a sodium loses one electron, it forms Na plus, which is a sodium ion, and its electronic configuration is now 2,8. Now let's see the metallic character of elements. They depends on two things. First is known as a atomic size. Now it says that greater is atomic size. Greater is the atomic size. It means it has a more metallic character. For example, like lithium, it has its electronic configuration 2, 1. So it will require, when I have to remove electron from the valence shell, it will require more energy to remove. Whereas when the atomic size increases, if I talk about a sodium, it has 3 electrons in valence shell. It means the distance from the nucleus to the outermost shell increases, and it requires a less energy to remove the electron from the outermost shell. So, as greater is atomic size is the further out, it requires a lesser nuclear pull to remove the electron. We can easily remove the electron from the outermost shell. Therefore, the metallic character increases. Next is the nuclear charge. Greater is the nuclear charge, greater is the force exerted by the nucleus on the electrons, and it is difficult to remove the electron. So for example, we'll talk about same with lithium, as I told you. When it is near to the nucleus, it requires more energy to remove the electron, and it becomes the metallic character for those elements, it decreases. Now, next we will learn about the trends in the metallic character. So, when we are talking about the trends in the metallic character, we will first see when we move from down a group. So, we have lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So, it is 2,1, 2,8,1, 2,8,8,1. 2, 8, 18, 8, 1, and further 2, 8, 18, 18, 8, 1. So here you can see that when we are moving down a group, so number of shells increases, it means size increases, then metallic character also increases. Now let's see when we are moving across a period. When we are moving across a period like lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, so you can see it is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6. So when we are moving left to right, you can see number of electrons are increasing in the same shell. So it decreases the atomic size. So atomic size decreases. Therefore, it is difficult to remove electron. Difficult to remove electron, that means the metallic character also decreases. So when we are moving left to right in the periodic table, the metallic character decreases. I hope this is clear to you. We'll further continue with the new videos. Thank you.